Okay girls, just going to make a real quick video to show you how to do the worked example about the swimming pool. So we have, let's write down what we have. So, sorry this video is really rough. I've had to do it in a rush and my apologies. So we're doing this question here. That question, okay? Alright, so it's a 50-meter swimming pool. Let's do it. So 50-meter pool, and it's got 10 lanes, and they're 220 centimeters wide. Okay, 220 centimeters wide. So let's work out the width there. So we're going to assume that will give us the width of the pool. So 220 centimeters, let's convert it to meters. So it's going to be 10 by 2.2 meters, which will equal 22 meters. So the width of our pool is 22 meters. Okay, now it's going to be, so the pool is a rectangle. Let's draw it like this. The pool is a rectangle. Okay, and we now know that it is 50 meters long, 22 meters wide. Okay, this is part of my problem solving approach, is drawing a sketch. We also know that it has a depth that changes. Okay, so at one end it's 1.5 meters deep, and at the other end it's 2.5 meters deep. Okay, so we have a shape like that. And this, if you took it on its side, if you took that shape on its side, it's actually going to be a shape that has two parallel sides, and it'll be flat at the top. Two parallel sides, flat at the top. The bottom of the pool will slope like this, and the top will be flat. So, what is that shape there? What is that shape? That is a trapezium. So, modeling and problem solving, we've got to think, what kind of shape are we dealing with? We're dealing with a trapezoidal prism. It's a trapezoidal prism, so that's how we're going to deal with it. So we want to find basically the capacity of that trapezoidal prism. So we'll start with the volume and we'll convert to capacity. Sorry for this really rough video. I am just in a bit of a rush. Okay, so first let's find the area of that trapezium. So let's make a plan. Our plan is to find the volume equals the area times the width. Okay, so that area is going to be based on this trapezium. So area of a trapezium is a half A plus B H. Okay, and then we're going to times that by the width of the pool. Okay, so a half A and B. So A and B is the two ends here, A and B. So A and B will be your 2.5 meters and 1.5 meters. So 2.5 plus 1.5. And then your height will be, actually in this case, your height is your height of your trapezium here, which is actually the length of the pool. Okay, and the length of the pool is 50 meters. Tricky because there's a couple of heights in this question. So the length of the pool here is your 50 meters, and that's the, if you think of this as a trapezium, that's the height, the perpendicular height of that trapezium is your 50 meters. Okay, then we're going to times that by the width of the pool. The width of the pool to get our volume, and the width of our pool, we calculated before, is 22 meters. So I'm going to times that by 22. And I promise this will be the worst video that I ever make. Okay, if you do that and put that all in your calculator, you will get a number, and that number will be your volume, and it will be in meters cubed. Okay, and then we're going to have to convert we're going to have to convert that to capacity in megaliters. Okay, and when we do that, we'll have our answer. And I'm not going to do that for you. You guys can give that a go. So that's the working there. Hope that helps.